Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today we are preparing a French pastry called lemon mille feuille. Traditionally, a mille feuille is made up of 3 layers of puff pastry, alternating with 2 layers of pastry cream. So let's get on with it. The ingredients: the preparation: line a baking tray with parchment paper or grease-proof paper and preheat the oven to the temperature shown. The method: Step 1. Slightly roll the ready-made puff pastry, approximately 4 mm thickness. Cut into squares or rectangles or circles. Place on a prepared tray and prick all over to allow the air to escape while baking. Bake them in a preheated oven for 10 minutes or until they are light brown and crisp. When done, remove from the oven and transfer them onto a wire rack to cool completely. Once they are cool, gently flatten these baked squares by pressing down with your fingers. Next, fill the lemon curd into a piping bag and then cut off a tiny tip at the pointed end and set aside. Please note, this is an optional step because the lemon curd can be spread using a palette knife. Melt the chocolate chips in the microwave for a minute initially. After a minute, remove from the microwave and mix. You then microwave for an additional 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds, remove from the microwave and mix. Continue to mix until the chocolate melts completely. Fill the chocolate into a piping bag. Use a piping nozzle or cut off a tiny tip at the pointed end. Add the double cream, sugar and vanilla extract into a mixing bowl. Whisk until it is stiff peak. Fill the whipped cream into a piping bag. Use a piping nozzle or cut off a tiny tip at the pointed end. Add water little by little to the icing sugar. Mix well to create a smooth mixture. Fill the icing into a piping bag. Cut off a tiny tip at the pointed end. Pipe a layer of lemon curd over the puff pastry. Next, pipe a layer of whipped cream over the lemon curd. Place a puff pastry square over it and repeat the previous steps. Pipe and coat the top with icing. Smoothen the top using a skewer. Pipe melted chocolate to decorate and using a skewer mark out designs. This is a replay from a side angle. The same, pipe a layer of lemon curd over the pastry. Pipe a layer of whipped cream over the lemon curd. Place a puff pastry square over it and repeat the previous steps. Pipe and coat the top with icing. Smoothen the top using a skewer. Pipe melted chocolate to decorate using a skewer mark out designs. Enjoy! If you liked this recipe, be sure to like, share and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.